What if I told you that tossing your electronics in the trash is more dangerous than you think? Every year, we throw away over 50 million tons of electronic waste. Think phones, laptops, TVs. That's like dumping 4,500 Eiffel Towers of gadgets into landfills every single year. The problem? E-waste is packed with toxic stuff like lead and mercury that can leak into our water and soil. But here's the thing, over 80% of it isn't recycled. We're literally throwing away gold, silver, and copper that could be reused. So, what can you do? First, never toss electronics in the regular trash. Look for local e-waste recycling events, or drop your old devices at certified collection points. Many stores and city centers have them. And before you upgrade, ask yourself, do you really need that new device? Sometimes a software update or a quick fix can give your old tech a new life. Managing e-waste isn't rocket science, but doing your part means a cleaner planet for everyone. So, what will you do with your next old gadget?